Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's end-of-day world currencies, stock markets and commodities wrap-up for Monday, March 10th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback showed mixed performance against major currencies. The US dollar fell notably against the yen, dropping 0.61 to 147.29. The dollar strengthened slightly against the Swiss franc, while maintaining flat movement against the Australian dollar. Looking at returns, the dollar has declined 4.2% against the euro month to date. The greenback shows weakness across all timeframes versus the yen, with a year-to-date decline exceeding 6.3%. The dollar rose 0.45% against the loonie to 1.4438, showing a very strong positive trend. Against the yen, the greenback broke upward from recent flat trading, gaining 0.3% to 7.2630. In terms of performance, the dollar maintains a strong positive trend against the rupee, up 2% year-to-date. The greenback shows broader weakness against the Singapore dollar, down 2.3% since the year began.
Looking at global stock market tracking ETFs, I'm Max Profit. Philippines leads today's gainers, up 0.11 to 25.47, marking 6 consecutive up days with strong upward volatility. New Zealand, Malaysia, and Norway all show mixed trends with varying degrees of volatility. Month-to-date returns show Philippines leading with a 6.1% gain. Turkey follows with a 7.4% return, showing particularly strong daily momentum averaging 1.2% gains. Year-to-date, Norway stands out with an 8.9% total return. Among today's decliners, Denmark led losses, falling 5.8 to 108.92. Netherlands and Austria also saw significant drops, down 3.8% and 3.6% respectively. Poland and China both declined over 3%. Despite today's declines, year-to-date returns remain positive across these markets. Poland maintains the strongest performance with a 27% gain, while Austria shows a 20.3% return. China has advanced 16.9% since the start of the year.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. Gold futures closed at 2,922.80, maintaining a strong positive trend while showing flat price movement over 5 days. Aluminum futures stood out, closing up for 6 consecutive days with a very strong positive trend. Palladium futures exhibited a strong negative trend. Month-to-date returns show aluminum leading with a 4.9% gain, while silver advanced 4.4%. Palladium posted the strongest monthly average daily return at 0.74%, despite its negative trend. Year-to-date, copper leads with a 16.4% return. In energy markets, crude oil futures fell 1.4% to 65.97, breaking downward after 4 days of flat movement. Heating oil declined for a 5th consecutive session. Natural gas maintained its very strong positive trend, while Brent crude showed very strong negative momentum. Month-to-date returns reveal natural gas surging 18.2%, significantly outperforming other energy futures. Crude oil and Brent crude both declined over 3%, while gasoline fell 5.8% for the month. In livestock, Class II milk futures jumped 6.6% to 18.34. Lean hogs rose for a 4th straight session with a very strong positive trend. Live cattle showed strong upward volatility, while feeder cattle maintained its very strong positive trend. Month-to-date performance shows lean hogs leading with a 5.5% gain, followed by live cattle at 4.1%. Despite today's sharp rise, Class 2I milk remains down 9.7% year-to-date, showing the poorest performance in the group. In grains, rough rice futures advanced 2.9%, marking 3 consecutive positive sessions. Wheat gained 1.4%, while soybean futures declined for a third straight day. Oats maintained a strong positive trend despite flat price movement. Monthly returns show mixed performance across grains. Rough rice leads with a 3.2% gain, while oats advanced 1.2%. Year-to-date, oats show the strongest performance, up 12.9%. In soft commodities, orange juice saw significant pressure, dropping 5% to 283.40 and hitting a new one-year low. Sugar strengthened 2.8% to 18.84, while cocoa continued its upward movement for a third consecutive day. Coffee futures drifted lower for 3 straight sessions. Year-to-date returns show coffee leading with a nearly 20% gain, while orange juice has declined over 42%. Cocoa has retreated 28% since January, despite recent daily gains. Sugar and cotton show relatively modest year-to-date changes.
And with that, we conclude another end-of-day world currency, markets and commodities wrap-up. I'm Victoria Cashmore, along with my AI co-hosts Max Profit and Liquidity. Thanks for watching. Look for daily wrap-ups every day just after 5 p.m. New York time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew. Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency and commodities. Thanks for watching.